Did you do that at school?
No, I don't do that at school.
Where did you see that from?
I remember when I did this.
When did you do it before?
At my school, not at kindergarten, not at Oxford.
You did it at Oxford?
No, not at Oxford. They said at my other school, like another school I went
Park
to.
Springs?
No, not Park Springs.
What other school do you go to then?
Where all the kids, they were hitting
Do you remember where?
a piñata, but I don't remember where.
Oh. How did you remember how to put it on?
Because I keep putting something up, please, so I can hit it with this. Hit it so that looks like a piñata.
I'll hold your backpack up, okay? Okay. Here you go. Hey, you can't look.
Right.
You keep looking.
I won't. Hey. What did you do? Hey.
Okay.
I opened it.
Oh, the candy comes out. Good job. And that's Alexa remembering when she was hitting a piñata.